Hello, here is how to make this delicious green marinade that will take your grilling and cooking to the very next level. It's super easy and requires just a few ingredients. So let's get started. First up, you'll need 20 stalks of the spring onions, 2 green bell peppers, 3 medium roots of ginger. I'm going to show you what I'll do to this. On a normal day, I won't peel off the skin, but for this recipe, I will. 1 bulb of white onion, 6 cloves of garlic, 5 green chili peppers, 5 habanero peppers. I will show you the other ingredients later. For now, let's do some choppings. Let's start with the ginger. I'll use my spoon to scrape the skin like so. Chop into small pieces. Then you chop every other thing we have here into small bits that will be okay for the blender blades. I say a big thank you to my subscribers and supporters. I appreciate your support and hope that you enjoy my content. Without your support, I wouldn't be able to do what I love. So thank you for being a part of my community. And if you're a first timer, thank you for tuning in. I strive to bring you nice recipes and cooking tips to help you create delicious meals in your own kitchen. So consider subscribing if you've not already done so. We will also need fennel, 1 teaspoon, rosemary, 1 tablespoon, olive oil, this is optional for me, but I'll tell you how I use it. I will also add oregano leaves later. Pour into the blender cup. Add 1 cup of water into the blender cup to help the blending. Start by adding ½ cup of water. Try not to add too much water as you blend. You can skip this step if you will be adding some oil. Now we'll blend everything together until nice and smooth. You can add the remaining ½ cup of water. You can use a spoon or spatula to stir for easy blending. This versatile green marinade pairs perfectly with chicken, pork, or seafood. So feel free to experiment and find your favorite combinations. Add the oregano, fennel, rosemary. Some ingredients like lime or lemon juice, olive oil, black pepper, and salt to taste were not added to the blending. Feel free to add them when you want, or add them at the time you want to marinate your meats. The choice is yours. Remember, it's an all-purpose green seasoning. Blend everything together to combine properly. And that's it. Look what we have here. I like this color. I will use these containers to store the marinade in small quantities. I will also store in this glass jar. Ice cube trays can also be used. Your green marinade is ready to use. You can marinate your favorite meats such as chicken or fish for at least 30 minutes before grilling to get the best flavor. You can also add the green marinade to your stews and soups. The marinade can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week or frozen for longer storage. Use small Ziploc bags to portion out the marinade for individual meals, or use ice cube trays to freeze and store smaller amounts. For the one in the glass jar, pour olive oil on the surface, cover it with the lid and then store in the refrigerator. It should stay for a week with the green color still intact. But surprisingly, I noticed that it is still intact at 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, the color begins to change from a bright green to a dark green color. Simply store the smaller packs in the freezer and use as many as you want in your cookings, seasonings, and marinades. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try at the next cookout. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty and interesting recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.